Hello everyone, we are Group 1 and our group members are Hu Sichen, Wang Yiming, Song Xinyao, and Zhang Shihan.
Okay, I will discuss question 1. So for the question 1, we need to calculate CPI for the years 2013 and 2014. We can from CPI T equal to CPI T minus 1 and times 1 plus inflation rate. So we can get CPI 2013 equal to 100 times 1 plus 0.05. We can get 126. And for the CPI 2014 years, we can get 126 times 1 plus 0.05. We can get 132.3. And for the question B, calculate and explain the mean of money weight value index obtained in 2013 and 2014. So the value of money index is equal to 100 divided by CPI. So we can get CPI 2013 is equal to 126. So the value of money index 2013 is equal to 100 divided by 126 is equal to 0.79. So the same third, we can get 2040 is equal to 100 divided by 132.3. We can get 0.76. So for the in 2030, a value of money index of 0.79 means that the 1 unit of money in 2030 has only 79% of the purchasing power is it had in the base years 2010. And in 2014, the index falls future to 0.76, indicating that the power of money has continued to decline due to inflation.
Okay, my name's Hu Sichen and my magic number is 8205988. Let me start with the question 2. The government's rationalization of subsidies on petroleum and gas has led to an increase in the retail prices of these fuels. Discuss how this leads to cost-pushing inflation. Okay, the rationalization of subsidies on petroleum and gas has increased the retail prices of fuel. This can lead to cost-push inflation. Fuel is a key input in almost all sectors of the economy. When fuel prices rise, transportation costs and production costs also increase. As a result, firms face higher operating costs. To maintain profits, firms often pass these higher costs on to consumers by raising the price of goods and services. This causes the aggregate supply curve to shift to the left, leading to a higher overall price level. In addition, higher fuel prices increase the cost of living. Workers may demand higher wages, which further raises production costs and can create a wage price spread. In conclusion, higher petroleum and gas prices increase production costs, reduce aggregate supply, and result in cost-push inflation. Okay, thank you.
Hello, Professor. My name is Song Xinyao. My student number is 8206784. 3. The value of money index shows how much goods a single unit of money can buy. The formula is the value of money in the busy year 2010, where CPI is 100, divided by the current CPI, then multiplied by 100. The B. To calculate the inflation rate, the key is to find the change between the current CPI and the previous year's CPI. The CPI was 125 in 2014 and 135 in 2015. So the difference in 10 divide 10 by the 2014 CPI and multiply by 100%. Then gives an 8% inflation rate for 2015. It means the price of consumer goods went up by 8% in 2015 and to compared to 2014. Okay, that's all.
For this question, the value of money index decreased from 100 in the base year 21 and 0 to about 74.07 in 2015. This means that compared to 2010, one unit of currency in 2015 had only about 0.7407 times the purchasing power it had in 2010, representing a decline in purchasing power of approximately 25.93%. Actually, compared to 2014, the value of money index was 80 in 2014 and fell to about 74.07 in 2015. A decline of roughly 7.41%, which is constant with the CPI inflation rate of 8%. Interpretation summary for 2015. The value of money index of about 74.07 in 2015 indicates that compared to the base year 2010, the purchasing power of money in 2015 decreased by approximately 25.97%. In other words, it cost about 1.35 monetary units in 2015 to purchase the same goods. The surveys that cost 1 monetary units in 2010